Well, I know what Tricia's doing this week. She's planting eggplants.
Oh, Danny. Well, you can call them eggplants, and in fact, they are plants and eggs, but here's the scoop. Pardon the pun. What we've done a couple of weeks ago, I wanted to get some seedlings going. So this is a really, really good trick that's good for the soil as well. You crack your eggs that you've already eaten, and then you put in a really nice blend of fine soil that includes a really mild fertilizer. And once the seedlings get to be about this height, all you have to do is put them in the soil. Now, the good thing about this is that this eggshell is biodegradable. And not only is it biodegradable, but it also puts some really fabulous nutrients into the soil.
So you can really kind of get a head start then on the planting season by starting these, say, inside.
Right, and as you can see, I use this tray, which is a really super way to store them, and it keeps them all upright. And when you still have them inside, you want to use a mister to be watering them so that you're not disturbing the soil too much. And then once they're at this point in the actual soil, don't blast them with water because you might shake them out of their little shell. But just make sure you break up the shell around it so that when the roots get strong enough, they'll blast through it.
Oh, I see. It's a great idea to use those old shells, and like you said, biodegradable. This is a good one.